In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Calendar with Zoom. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your scheduling process and ensure you never miss a meeting. So let's dive right in. First, let's start by heading over to your Google Calendar. If you're not familiar with how to do that, simply open your web browser and type in calendar.google.com. Once you're there, you'll be able to see your weekly schedule laid out in front of you. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to create and manage your Zoom meetings directly from your Google Calendar, which can save you a lot of time. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the settings icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you want to select Get Add-ons. This option will direct you to the G Suite Marketplace, where you can find a variety of apps and add-ons to enhance your Google Workspace experience. Now in the G Suite Marketplace search bar, type in Zoom for Google Workspace. As you're typing, you may see a few suggestions pop up. Make sure to select the correct option, which is typically labeled as Zoom for Google Workspace. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page with more details about this add-on. Here you'll find information about what the add-on does and how it integrates with your Google Calendar. Once you're satisfied with what you see, go ahead and click Install. The system might ask for some permissions to allow Zoom to access your calendar, so be sure to read through these carefully and accept them if you're comfortable. It's essential to understand which permissions are being requested to ensure they align with your privacy preferences. After the installation process is complete, return to your Google Calendar. You'll notice a new icon has appeared on the right-hand panel of the screen. It's the Zoom icon. This icon allows you to quickly access Zoom's features without leaving your Google Calendar. With this setup, you can now create Zoom meetings directly from within your calendar events. Just add event details as you usually would, and then click the Zoom icon to attach a meeting link with just a few clicks. This integration simplifies the process of scheduling meetings, particularly if you're frequently utilizing Zoom for both personal and professional purposes. It ensures that all the information is in one place, making it easier to manage your time effectively. That's it for today's training on connecting Google Calendar with Zoom. Hopefully this guide makes your scheduling a little easier and a whole lot more efficient. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.